Shukor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Ka BJP Meghalaya kalajit biang ya urikman momen kumu Presiden ke Meghalaya State Bharatiya Janata Party ya kani kajing penbena du Menteri ke Sorkar Pedeng u George Kurian ha kajing dan lang jong Anil Anthony National General Secretary ke BJP ha office rekam jong ke Seng ha Shillong nalor kajing syajit biang jong momen kumu Presiden la penbenaru saya ke kerteng uba AL Hek uba Sanbor Shulai uba Ernest Mauri kibala syajit kum kirkhot jong ke National Council jong ke Seng haba kerana kena kesengi umamin ulapan pawe ke jing sengongo ya kinong yalam ke Seng kibadang syanya ya u kumunong yalam ula benrap da ke boong bah ke we kesengi ngin sa sensyar ya ke jala klem ke jing bamsap nak liang u Anil Anthony National Secretary ke BJP ula ya ro ya kinong yalam ke BJP bakilia treshitam ban pen klan ya ke Seng ha ke jala ula ong baka BJP ke lakiu bah ke jala syatay lamingi hak baki dan ki jala baka sensyar bat ki dan ki jala kum ha Meghalaya kibadan lang ha ke Sorkar.
To the party, and we have also discussed this morning that we'll review that the enrollment is still continuing, and we will continue to request all the people in our state to enroll themselves to the party, to our party, the BJP. So I will lengthen my speech. So with these few words, once again, I would like to express my sincere thanks and also to appeal to each and every one of you that we as a party, we are like our own family. If there is any rift here and there, we'll try to resolve it within the parameters of the party. It's like a family. So this is my appeal, because in my constituency also, we are working hand in hand like our own family. So, and also I would like also to pray to all those aspirant candidates who have applied the party ticket for the ensuing MD selection, and we wish them all the best. And with these words, once again, thank you. Kublai Mithila and Jai Hind.
Returning officer of the state, Loklanchi, Sanborji, Anil Anthony, the National Secretary and Property of Meghalaya, the organization election of Meghalaya state has been completed. The last phase is going to be announced here. Mr. Rikman G. Momi has been elected as the President of Meghalaya. He is the President. And Sri Alexander Lalu Hek and Savor Shulai and Ernest Mavri has been selected as National Council members. Congratulations to these state council members. You are all state council members. You are entering another step of this organization. Congratulations to all elected district president and mandal president also. Thank you.
Sri Sanbor Sulaiji, the returning officer Bakroji, Sri Laikhanji, and all my esteemed colleagues who are here. First of all, I would like to congratulate and thank the returning officer and the co-returning officer for the responsibilities you have been conducting the last 4 or 5 months. As you are all aware, the Sankatan Parv of the Bharatiya Janata Party started early September when we started our membership drive. After the membership drive, we went on to the active membership drive. And In the membership drive, the state of Meghalaya this time has around 30,000 members, and unlike the previous editions, every single one of them have been fully verified members. Overall, across the nation, our party once again has reinforced ourselves as the largest democratic political outfit in the world. But at this moment in 3-4 states it is still ongoing. But we have crossed 14 crore members across India. So once again the Bharatiya Janata Party, just like after the membership drive was over the last time, has much more members than even the Chinese Communist Party, and it is the largest democratic party in the world. So I congratulate all of you for your efforts in forwarding that also. Later the active membership drive was conducted, and the criterion was that every active member should be enrolling at least 50 members. So once again, the state of Meghalaya has done fairly well, where over almost 500 active members have been enrolled across the state. Meghalaya was one of the first states across India. It is one of the first 4 or 5 states where all the 60 mandal presidents were declared well in time. After that, the district presidents and the state council members were also selected around the 7th of this month. Today, I thank the Honorable Minister for coming here as the observer and for selecting Bigmanji again as the president. And the state unit has made a lot of strides this time during the Sankatan Parv. So, out of 3,300 booths in the state, around 1,400 booth committees have been created. And we are expecting to cross at least 50% booth committees by the end of this whole process. So the party has made a lot of strides. There are certain areas where we are still very weak. But in a lot of areas where we are traditionally weak, we have gained a lot of ground also. So I congratulate the state team led by the president for the work you have done so far. Now in the upcoming weeks, the national president of the party will also be elected, and it will be the national council members and the state president who will be casting the votes from the state. All the 4 who are announced today. And the Bharatiya Janata Party once again has shown our democratic credentials, where we are the only party across the world and only the party in the country, where from the booth level till the national president, every single person, every single office bearer is being chosen by democratic consultations and consensus. So again we are reinforcing our democratic credentials. Now in the coming weeks we will also be selecting our state executive one more time. It will be reconstituted after the new president is chosen. And once again I would like to make it very clear that this is an instruction from the central leadership, that to be a part of the state committee, it is expected that all of you have to be active members. So those who are not active members, special you will have to have a discussion with the president and me to see what was the reason why you are not an active member, or else everybody who is a part of the state committee is expected to be an active member. So that process will be happening the next month, very soon. I congratulate the state team for the work you have done so far. At this moment we had 2 MLAs, but a few 6-7 years back in the northeast, there was not a single state that was governed by the NDA. There are 8 states in this region. Now 7 of the 8 states in the northeast is governed by the NDA, 4 by the Bharatiya Janata Party ourselves with full majority, and 3 as a part of the alliance, including in Meghalaya. The Prime Minister has put a lot of focus on the northeastern region, where in the last 10 years he has come to the northeastern region almost 74 times. That is more than all the previous Prime Ministers put together. So he has a lot of focus on the northeast. He initiated the Act East policy, and under the Act East policy, almost 6 lakh crores have been spent in this region in the last 10 years to increase connectivity, to improve infrastructure, to increase trade, etc. And this region right now is growing faster than any other part of India. And full integration of this part of this area has also happened with rest of India. So all that has happened because of our Prime Minister's vision and leadership. And under this, this area has overall been going very well. So now I am very sure that the people of Meghalaya also will put more trust in the Bharatiya Janata Party, and we'll be seeing many more MLAs in the coming elections. Our national leadership has also given us permission to participate in the upcoming elections in Khasi Hills and Jaintia Hills. I want to, Bernard is not here today, but I want, oh, you have grown beard and all like that. You put during the by-polls, even though the results were not that favorable. We understand that you had a very tough fight with 3 very difficult candidates, but you have put up a very good fight. And please continue working for the organization there. In the coming months, we will be fighting in the Khasi Hills and Jaintia Hills, or also in the upcoming local body polls. And in the coming years, we will definitely be getting more MLAs, and there will be a time where in Meghalaya also, the Bharatiya Janata Party will be the largest party in the state. So we will work for that. And for that, I am requesting all your sincere participation and cooperation. And I congratulate the President again for being reappointed as the President today. And I am very sure that under your leadership in the next 3 years, the party unit will definitely grow, and one day we will reach our destination of being the largest party in Meghalaya also. Thank you.
Really thank, first of all, our Honorable Minister who has been here till yesterday, doing all the organizational work. I thank him for every support that he has given yesterday and today, till the President has been announced. I thank our Prabhari, Anil Antony ji, who is always motivational for me and very dynamic Prabhari of our state, who is really working hard to bring up the state of Meghalaya BJP. I thank our all party karyakartas, especially the state council members and district president who is present here. Dear friends, the day has started again. In 1 year, last 1 year, during we work together, maybe there may be some of our members who may be not happy, or I may have hurt them also. For that, I apologize to them. Let us work together sincerely to the party, for the party. This party is not only for the president or our office bearers. This party is for all. If there is no post for you also, kindly come and start helping the state to bring up the state for our future. As our RO was telling earlier, one day we will rule this state of Meghalaya without corruption. So my dear friends, very soon our organizational work, everything will be started again. So I hope everyone will help to bring up this party as our own party. So if there is any suggestion to strengthen the party, everyone is welcome to give their views to us. So with these few words, I conclude my speech here. Thank you. Jai Hind.